Hello everyone. Today I would like to record this practice breathing exercises against cough in English. This video in Russian collected so many comments and so many likes, and people who work with me, they asked me to record this video in English, and I would love to do it with pleasure. So this set of breathing exercises is excellent help to help with the cough. So when you do have acute cough, it's a dry cough, if it's a wet cough, it works. A lot of people complimented under the other video, and they said that it worked for them. It also worked for my patients in a dental office. I'm a dental hygienist, and I'm happy to share this practice with you. So today we're going to do 5 exercises against cough, and I suggest you take a cup with water, with warm water. We'll be drinking water between exercises. So the very first exercise will be this. You can do this practice while standing, sitting, or even if you lay in bed. So the first exercise, you will put your hands up. Make sure you bend your elbows like this, and so you don't have to put your hands very close to each other, but if you can't put them this far, put them anywhere you can, as long as you will move your hands like this is fine. So the first one, we will inhale and we'll open our hands like this, and exhale, we'll close. So when you close, you want to bend, you want to round your back a little bit. And when you open, you expand your chest a little bit. Okay, so we'll do it 5 times. You inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, or you can exhale through the nose as well, whatever you like. A lot of people ask me what is better, but there's no better way, there's your way. So if you feel like you want to exhale through the nose, please do. If you want to use your mouth, you're welcome. So we'll do it 5 times. So you will inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more time. Important thing of these exercises is to breathe into your stomach. So maybe it looks like my chest is moving, but really I do breathe with my stomach. So when you inhale, your stomach goes out, and you exhale, your stomach goes in. Next exercise, let's drink some water. So next one, we are going to do the opposite. So your hands will be in the same position, but we will inhale while the hands are together and exhale when we open. So inhale, exhale. Inhale. And last time, inhale, exhale. Awesome. Little water. We lose a lot of water when we breathe, so we have to replenish it. Next is going to be yoga exercise. So we're going to do, it's called the neck lock. So you're going to expand your neck, make sure your neck is like straight, your shoulders are down. So you will inhale and you exhale, and you try to touch your chin to this little spot between your clavicles. So when you bend your chin down, it will feel like you lock your throat, and you don't breathe for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so we're going to inhale, exhale, and hold. And let's do it 5 times. One more time. Inhale, exhale. And the last time. Wonderful. Little water again. Next one, we're going to, if you stand, you put your feet shoulder width apart. If you sit, just remain the way how you are. And your hands will be, first the palms will be looking down to the floor, but when we inhale, we'll open up the hands and the chest, and the palms go up to the ceiling. So it will look like this. So when you inhale, it will look like this. So you bend back a little bit. And when you exhale, you go back. So if you are doing this exercise in bed, it's okay. So you can't really bend back much. So you will just go open and close as much as you can. So let's do this. So inhale, open, and exhale, close. Remember to inhale in the stomach. Okay, excellent. Little water. Next exercise you'll put your hands like this in front of you. So when we inhale, we bring our hands up. Exhale, hands down. Don't put them together. Hold them separate. So let's do 5 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. No rush. Wonderful. Relax. Drink some water again. Next one will be similar to the previous one, except when we inhale, we'll do another little inhale, additional inhale, and exhale. So it will look like this. Inhale. Let's do 4 more times. Wonderful. Very good. And now we have the very last exercise, which I'm going to set up timer for 2 minutes. So we will be doing this exercise for 2 minutes. So what I want you to do, I want you to make a fist and make a little hole like this. So we will inhale in the nose, exhale through the mouth like this. And the only thing, we'll put this fist, this little hole by the mouth, and we'll inhale into this fist. Inhale has to be twice shorter than exhale. So if we inhale in 2, 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale in 3, exhale in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to be doing 2. 2 inhale, 4 exhale. Here we are. We start with the timer and let's go.